Hey, Brian from Garage Wall Hall. I have an amazing product for you to check out. So let's go. So this is your VEVOR pocket knife. And I love that it does have that clip on it to put in your pocket. Pretty awesome. And it's got that quick little bar there so you can get that out. It comes packed with a little protectant on that. And then basically what you are doing is you just push in on that and then it folds up nice and easy. So it's got that little plastic serration on the back of that. So pretty neat. And again, like I said, one hand open. So you just put your finger on that. And then you can flip that open. And then you're good to go. And super sharp right out of the pack, digging into the back of my nail. So that's a good sign. Has that nice little serration right there. But yeah, absolutely my go-to carry nowadays. And like I said, it's new, so it's a little on the stiffer side, but yeah, pretty awesome. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.